On Windows 11, you can enable text suggestion to get help writing complex word to finish typing more quickly. When the feature is turned on, it will look at the spelling and show a list of redirection above the cursor that we can easily select with the mouse or arrows key. The feature is enabled by default when using touch, but you must enable it manually using a physical keyboard and mouse. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to enable text suggestions on Windows 11. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on time and language. Click the typing tab. Turn on the show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard toggle switch to enable writing suggestion on Windows 11. Turn on the multilingual text suggestions toggle switch to enable the suggestions based on the other language preference. Once you complete the step, open Notepad, Microsoft Word or start commenting on the online post to see what and emoji suggestions as you type. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.